If you know me at all, you know I love caviar and champagne. Sorry, not so sorry. These are beautiful examples of ways to serve your caviar and champagne to your guests. Beautiful Baccarat glasses. Don't be afraid to use your good crystal. Use it every day. It's part of the joy of living. Gorgeous caviar sets. Puy Fricas, William Yoward, Christophe, and Versace. And if you're serving caviar, you need all the little sides. The sieved egg, the minced onion, the creme fraiche. And how beautiful are these little ones here with the spoons, their very own spoons. What I love about this is it twirls. But even if you just prefer a simple bowl, any of these items, perfect for, I don't know, a Sunday at 4. All from Gearys.